Today, we're comparing regular and frost-free outdoor faucets to help you make the best choice for your water fixture needs. Starting with the basics, a regular outdoor faucet is recognizable by its simple design. These fixtures are usually crafted from brass or stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Designed for mild climates, these faucets lack mechanisms to prevent freezing. The operation of a regular outdoor faucet is focused on the movement of its handle, which is connected to a valve stem inside the body of the faucet. When the handle is turned, it moves the valve stem, which in turn either lifts or presses down a washer against the valve seat to control water flow. While easy to operate and budget-friendly, the downside is their vulnerability to freezing in cold climates, potentially leading to costly damages. Now, let's look at frost-free outdoor spigots. These are specifically designed to prevent water from freezing. Distinguishable by their elongated stem, frost-free faucets keep the valve mechanism inside, shielded from the cold, and are made from materials like brass to prevent corrosion. A frost-free spigot works by ensuring that the water does not remain in the portion of the pipe that is exposed to the outside cold. When the faucet is closed, the valve inside shuts off the water flow and drains out the water remaining in the pipe. This mechanism prevents water from staying in the exposed pipe section, thereby eliminating the risk of freezing and bursting. These faucets are a time saver in cold climates, eliminating the need for seasonal draining. However, they come with a higher initial cost and might require professional installation. There you have it. Remember, choosing between a regular or frost-free faucet depends on your climate and water needs. Found this video interesting? Like and subscribe for more expert insights like this.